Hello, friends. Welcome to Mysterious Stories. Friends, we now know that the Earth is divided into 7 continents, i.e. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, in addition to Europe and Australia. But there is an 8th continent in the world that is hidden from everyone. It is called Zealandia, but no one has ever seen it, and no one can see it. Where is this place, and why can't we see it, friends? To find out, we will need to travel to New Zealand. Although this country is surrounded by an island in the South Pacific Ocean with a population of only 50 lakh, friends, Zealandia, a kingdom hidden beneath New Zealand in the deep sea of the South Pacific Ocean, is actually submerged beneath our country. Once home to mountains, forests, and lakes, a sizable portion of the planet is now submerged 3,500 feet below sea level. It covered 50 lakh square kilometers. According to scientists, this location was submerged beneath the ocean millions of years ago. Friends, approximately 350 years ago, in 1642, a man by the name of Abel Tasman was at sea. As a sailor, he was at sea most of the time. This man met a tribe in New Zealand when he was there. They were referred to as the Maori. The world's attention was drawn to this location at this time, and a British mapmaker named James Cook was then dispatched to this side as well. He conducted some research on Landmass, even though his main goal was to determine how far the sun was from the Earth. However, Sir James Ector, a Scot, initiated the initial investigation into Zealandia when he found that New Zealand was actually situated on a piece of land that had submerged in the water. But as time went on, a number of geologists were dispatched here, and one thing they saw was that the rocks and other materials found beneath the sea were comparable to continental crust. To put it simply, the rocks on our land resemble continental crust, while the rocks in our sea are volcanic basalt rocks. However, they are granite. Granite rocks were found here beneath the sea, precisely as they are on our property. Friends, this was a significant piece of evidence that this is where a significant portion of our land was underwater millions of years ago. Landmass had sunk. Even if we are unable to view it now, we can still see some sections of Zealandia, such as New Zealand, which is a part of Zealandia. Friends, the question now is, how did Zealandia sink into the ocean? Our area was formerly part of a single continent called Pangaea, but tectonic activity caused it to split into 2 halves millions of years ago. In reality, Laurasia or Gondwanalandia was a part of Gondwana. Eventually, Gondwana split up into numerous regions, and Zealandia also became divided. As the ocean grew larger and the Earth's crust grew thinner over time, a large portion of land eventually became submerged beneath the ocean. Zealandia should be isolated from the ocean, according to a number of biologists today. There is currently no likelihood that the 8th continent will be declared, even if it should be. In any case, Zealandia was a hidden landmass that was formerly a part of our globe but is now underwater.